welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. I'm Vanessa, this is Nessa CX Beauty, and today's video is going to be on the brand new Beauty Blender Bounce Concealer. This is her. She retails for $26 and has 0.27 ounces of product compared to the NARS Radiant Cream Concealer at 0.22 ounces of product and $30. So you do get a little bit more for a little bit less. And I did want to make that comparison because this is a cult favorite. So if this turns out to be better, you're getting a better deal. So we're going to be applying and then having a wear test. So if you're interested in that, just continue watching. Okay, so I've already primed my face with my Tarte Rainforest of the Sea primer in Quench. And recently I've been putting on my concealer before my foundation, so we're just gonna dig into this. This is how the doe foot looks. It's pretty interesting, pretty short, looks kind of like a beauty blender. So we're just gonna go right in. I'm gonna work one eye at a time. So this doe foot does apply a lot. Okay, so a few things about this concealer is that it's a full coverage weightless concealer. It doesn't have a long lasting claim, but it is made with hyaluronic acid and peptides, which is supposed to brighten and clear up your skin over time. So I can't test those claims out because this is the first time using the concealer, but I can attest to the claim that it is full coverage because look at this baby. Okay, and it said it's supposed to have a natural, full coverage, undetectable kind of finish, which I think is very true. So I'm just gonna turn my blender over, pop under my eyes real quick. And set using my MAC times Patrick Star powder. Okay, so we're gonna zoom in. Alright, so please do not mind my breakout. It is pretty bad. Okay, I'm starting to believe that all of my concealers, no matter what concealer I use, is gonna look like this when I first apply it. So, I don't know, my creases are just getting more heavy with age, I guess, and I'll own that, but that is how we are looking at application. I'm gonna finish all of my makeup and, you know, use that setting spray, and then we'll come back and zoom in again. Okay, so we are back. Time of completion of makeup is 8:21 a.m. This is the final zoom in. Not the final zoom in, but like the final check-in for the morning. I can definitely still see like a little bit of darkness, but it is nothing too serious. My creases, I'm owning them, I'm owning them, I'm owning them. I gotta tell myself that I'm owning them. Okay, so far it's like every other concealer that I've tried out this year. Looking the same, feeling the same. I only go for full coverage concealers, so I definitely, you know, expected that. But let me know what you guys think in the beginning, and I'll see you at the end. I wanted to give a look-see in natural lighting. I think my face looks more blurred in this lighting. You know, the concealer actually doesn't look too bad. I think studio lights emphasize a lot. So I think natural lighting is the best way to show off a concealer. Okay, so we are back and it is 5:23 p.m. aka I've had this on for about 9 hours. So we're gonna do this zoom in. My chin look good. Oh, my under nose doesn't look good, but I didn't put concealer there. In between my brows looks good, except for the line. I always talk about this line, y'all. It's aging. I blame it on aging. That is the under eye. That is the other under eye. I was tearing up in my left eye all day, so that is why this is here. I don't blame that part on the concealer. I don't know. So I said this for the Revolution Conceal and Define Infinite Concealer, and I'll also say this about the Beauty Blender Bounce one. From a distance, like, people definitely see flawless, smooth, like my face in the mirror looks so bomb, and people have been complimenting my skin all day. But this zoom feature is like always the thing that like kills me, because I'm like, yo, my makeup looks so good, and then I zoom in on my camera and I'm like, okay, it's totally kind of like not as amazing as I thought. So this wears like almost every concealer that I have. I don't really have that many cons besides the fact that there is some darkness showing and there is creasing, but again, this did not claim to be crease proof. It definitely does look good. It survived a whole day of work. And now I'm gonna insert a clip using my phone in my living room without studio lights so we can see it without studio lights. So like, as you guys can see, compared to how I look on my camera, my phone makes me look so much better. I really don't understand it. Make it make sense, because it makes no sense to me, but it looks good to the human eye. It looks good on my phone. I look crappy on my camera. I don't know who to believe. Okay, and that is all I have for y'all today. Have a great day or night wherever you guys are in the world. I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.